Welcome back to Cabin Maker today. We follow the crew assembling a two-story house using gablock timber modules. The biggest challenge is positioning heavy load, bare components at height amidst dense fog and high humidity. Let's head to the job site to see how they tackle it right now. The builder placed specialized gablock insulated OSB foundation blocks onto the main foundation. Then use rubber mallets to strike the interlocking joints firmly to eliminate gaps and completely prevent future heat loss. A builder uses spirit level to check the vertical alignment of the corner column and beam system before working with a collie to lift a large horizontal beam and seat it atop the columns to ensure uniform load distribution across the entire ceiling. The construction crew inserts light gray insulating foam blocks into the designated will grooves, while pressing large OSB sheathing panels tightly against. The insulation core use screw guns to ream structural rigidity against wind loads. The builder installs a hollow box beam as a load, bury header above the doorway, securing it with high, strength metal gusset plates, and applying a waterproofing membrane along. The joint grooves to protect the wood core from water ingress during inclement weather. Amidst dense fog, the builder lays down wide OS subfloor panels for the second, floor decking, inserts yellow insulation bats into the joist bays, and uses a high torque screw gun to fasten them securely for soundproofing and structural vibration control. The crew firmly presses specialized waterproofing tape along the floor to beam joint edges. Coordinate with a crane to lower wood-clad insulated foam blocks onto the deck to safely accelerate the erection of the second floor vertical walls. The builder drives ultra-long structural screws directly into joints subjected to high tension and bending stresses. Constantly cross, referencing with paper blueprints to maintain the geometric accuracy of the second floor exterior wall assembly. To eliminate structure-borne noise transmission between the two floors, the builder applies rubber dampening strips along the floor joists, then positions specialized beveled wood blocks to frame the sloped gable wall of the house. The crew rolls out the Siga Mappel vapor barrier over the pitched roof, tapes the seams tightly, and secures them with screwed-on wood battens to prevent moisture penetration that could rot the internal timber structure under wind pressure. the builder hammers home the joints of the ceiling joist grid, securing them with high strength bolts before stuffing light-ed acoustic fiberglass insulation into the joist cavities to optimize thermal stability in the attic space. Supported by a crane, the builder installs termite-resistant green A-frame trusses onto the top plates. Rapid, firing a high-pressure pneumatic nail gun to lock the truss heels securely to the rim joists, ensuring an optimal slope for water drainage. Moving agilely across the parallel steep purlins, the builder fastens the hip rafters, while locking the horizontal bracing in place to eliminate lateral thrust from the pitch roof that could destabilize the main load-bearing structure. The crew installs the roof edge fascia boards using nail guns while secured by safety harnesses, then drives high strength steel screws through gusset plates to preventing ridge interflexion, preventing roof beam deflection. The builder operates a handheld chainsaw to precisely trim excess horizontal beam ends, then nails the final ridge bracing board into place, completing the robust roof framing before the weather deteriorates. The builder has completed the robust load-bearing framing system, the dry moisture barrier, and the clean-lined pitched roof structure. The house is now built to stand the test of time. Share your thoughts on this prefabricated assembly solution in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.